As you can see, I am on my Telegram channel. As you can see, I have already uploaded audio on my channel to upload playlist. What you have to do first, you need to create Telegram channel. Click on the pencil icon, click on create new channel, give your channel name, and also more information just like description and picture after creating channel. Make sure to pin it. If you want to upload videos and documents, click on the link icon from here. You can create your wallet to send or receive crypto or dollars. Can make a pool where you can question and quests for your audience. You can add multiple questions with their answers and also quests on your Telegram channel. If you want to upload other things just like documents for your audience, you can upload documents from here. So let's start by uploading video on our channel. If I click on upload video, a new window will appear from here. Choose your video and click on the open video. Your selected video will be start uploading. As you can see, my video is appeared here. You can add captions for your video, then click on send. Now, let's upload audio on our Telegram channel. To upload audio, you need to drag and drop the audio file that you need to upload on Telegram channel. Open your file manager, go to your folder where your audio file is. Just pick your audio file and drop into your channel. It will start uploading audio before uploading you, and also add captions to your audio file and upload it.
Pensaron que mi